I was talking to my kids the other day, and I found myself explaining what a VHS tape was. That there was a time when we couldn't just pull up the entire Disney library on a tablet in the backseat of our car. That you had to wait for your favorite movie to rewind. That we couldn't FaceTime our grandparents because phones were attached to the wall. And then I thought about something today. Someday, I might be explaining to my grandkids that we used to have something called the estate tax. This might all sound a little bit dramatic, but it's really not as far off as you might think. This past week, the House of Representatives passed a Senate amended budget resolution for 2025 that puts a full repeal of the federal estate tax squarely on the table. And here's why that matters, especially today, on tax day. That budget resolution triggers the reconciliation process. That's a special procedure in Congress that allows major tax changes to pass with a simple majority vote. No filibuster, no 60-vote threshold required. It's how the 2017 Tax Cuts and Jobs Act was passed. Now, Congress has the green light to draft legislation that could eliminate the federal estate tax. Not reduce it, not phase it out, it would eliminate it entirely. And that's not all. The same resolution opens the door to other tax changes, which include adjustment or repeal of the SALT deduction cap, elimination of the carried interest loophole, and expansion of tax credits or incentives in select areas. But the headline for estate planners is clear. We could be entering an era where estate taxes no longer exist. So what should you do with this information? First, take a breath. This is not the law yet, but it is a signal of where things might be headed and how quickly the ground can shift. Second, remember, a repeal could be reversed just as easily as it is put in place. Elections change Congress, and Congress can change the tax code. We've seen it before. Third, even without a federal estate tax, estate planning remains critical. We still have a Massachusetts estate tax that starts at $2 million per person. We still deal with incapacity, blended families, long-term care situations, wealth protection. We're still worried about avoiding probate. And lastly, this is why it pays to plan proactively. Not to outsmart the IRS, but to make sure that your plan holds up no matter what the law looks like in 5, 10, or even 30 years. Today is April 15th, tax day. And while most people are thinking about what they owe this year, I'm thinking about the bigger picture, about the legacy that you're building and the tools that we can use to protect it, whatever Congress might decide to do next. If this news has you wondering whether your plan is still up to date, or if you don't have one at all, we should talk. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like and share with somebody who might want a second opinion on their estate plan. More changes are coming, so let's stay ready for them together. And if you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe because it really helps my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.